Today's topic concerns one of the world's most flavorful and widely enjoyed vegetables, onions. While some people love them, others might not be as fond. We all know onions are packed with nutrients, but did you know that common mistakes in preparing or eating them can actually reduce their health benefits? In this video, we'll explore 9 frequent mistakes people make with onions and share tips on how to get the most out of this remarkable vegetable. Preparing and eating onions the right way can make a big difference, not just for flavor, but for maximizing nutrients too. Let's jump right into it with the 9 mistakes to watch out for when handling onions. Mistake 1. Assuming all onions taste the same. Not all onions are created equal, and each type has a unique taste and best uses. Yellow onions bring a balanced, bold flavor, ideal for cooking. White onions are milder, perfect for raw dishes or Mexican recipes. Red onions have a sharp, peppery flavor that works great in salads and sandwiches, while sweet onions like Vidalia add a subtle, earthy taste to dishes. Mistake 2. Inefficient peeling technique. Many people waste edible layers and cause more tears than necessary by peeling onions incorrectly. A helpful tip is to cut off the root end first, as it contains the highest concentration of tear-inducing compounds. Then, slice off the top and peel from top to bottom. You can also try running hot water over the onion or microwaving it for 15 seconds to loosen the skin. Mistake 3. Improper storage. Onions need a cool, dark, and well-ventilated place to stay fresh. Storing them in a plastic bag traps moisture, which accelerates spoilage, and keeping them in the refrigerator can make them mushy. For cut onions, store them covered to avoid their strong aroma affecting other foods, especially dairy. Mistake 4. Not soaking raw onions before eating. To enjoy a milder taste, try soaking raw onions in cold water for 15 minutes. This technique reduces the harshness, making them easier to digest and less likely to cause heartburn or bloating. Mistake 5. Discarding sprouted onions. When an onion sprouts, it's often still safe to use. Just cut out the sprout and any softened areas. Although it may be slightly less crunchy, the onion is still edible or can even be planted to grow new onions. Mistake 6. Using old or spoiled onions. Check for signs of spoilage like softness, off smells, dark spots, or excessive wrinkles. Slight surface mold can sometimes be removed, but if it's extensive, it's best to discard the onion. Mistake 7. Rushing the caramelization process. Caramelizing onions requires time and patience. Start on low heat and gradually increase it to bring out that rich, sweet flavor. Avoid overcrowding the pan, add a bit of salt to draw out moisture, and if desired, sprinkle of sugar for extra sweetness. Stir sparingly to allow the onions to brown evenly. Mistake 8. Ignoring possible onion allergies. Although less common, some people have an onion allergy, which can cause symptoms like rashes, itching, stomach discomfort, or even more severe reactions. If you suspect you're experiencing symptoms after eating onions, it might be worth consulting an allergist. Mistake 9. Letting onions make you cry. To reduce tears, try chilling the onion before cutting, using a sharp knife, cutting under running water, or even working near an open flame. Some people also use onion goggles to block the irritants. Now that you know